Hello, class. I am Mr. Wang Mei from Guangxi Financial Vocational College. Today our class is a little switch because we're using Mixu Bing Chang's milk tea to learn statistical charts. Suppose you are a data analyst at Mixu Bing Chang. The boss gives you a bunch of sales data. Which milk tea is the most popular? Which series sells the most? What are the differences in sales in different regions? What would you say? Just throw him a chart. Or show him this one. That's right, statistical charts. It's the magic wand that makes the data talk. Today we will unlock this skill. Let me start with a question. If I want to tell the boss, the number of Mixu Bing Chang stores in Zhengzhou is 1.5 times that of Luoyang. In a table, it looks like this. In a chart, it looks like this. Which is more intuitive? Graphs, of course, because of the speed with which the human brain processes images. 10,000 times faster than text. Tables are the original repositories of data, and the graph is the translator of the data. It instantly conveys trends, comparisons, proportions, and other key information, like these line charts. The boss can see it at a glance. Summer is the peak sales season, and new product promotions need to be launched in winter. So remember this principle, use tables when exact values are required. For quick insights, use charts. Next, let's talk about the types of statistical tables. There are three main categories of chart families: comparison category, proportion category, trend category. For example, to compare sales of different Mixu Bing Chang products, use bar or column charts. To see each product's share, use a pie chart. To track annual sales trends, use a line chart. Choosing a chart is like choosing shoes for data. Match the right type. Match the right type. Here is the error case. For example, use a pie chart to show sales in 20 cities. It's like putting ballet shoes on an elephant. It's both hilarious and misleading. Remember the true principles. If categories exceed 6, use a bar chart. To emphasize differences, use a column chart. Now let's practice with Mixu Bing Chang's data. Now let's do it. Suppose this is the quarterly data of a store in Mixu Bing Chang. The first step is to select the data area. Click Insert. Select chart type. For example, make a column chart. After selecting the data, click here. The chart appears instantly, but don't rush to submit it. We need to bring out professionalism, adjust colors, add data labels, and optimize the axis. Look at the pie chart again. How do we focus? Right-click a slice, format the data point, and export it. And finally, line graphs, add trend line. Forecast next month's sales. Here's the thing. Chart design 3 principles. Simplicity, remove redundant grid lines. Clarity, color contrast is greater than or equal to 3:1. And no distortion, axes start at 0. For example, in this wrong case, the sales difference is only 10%, but the visual aberration is 50%. Finally, I would like to share with you, statistical charts are not just tools, they are also a mirror of responsibility. While Mixu Bing Chang optimizes products with data, it also supports the rural economy through the Sweet Public Welfare Program. When we present data in graphs, not only pursue accuracy, but also think about the meaning behind the data. How can we use statistical thinking to create value for society? I hope the students can use what they have learned in the future. Let the data tell the truth. To better. Remember, a true data analyst is someone who holds charts and has a heart for the world. After class for the campus night market economy, design the data visualization report, draw a composite statistical table. Clearly present the revenue and customer flow of the 3 stalls. The data must include the title, headings, and data units. And choose the most suitable chart type, such as column chart, pie chart, or line chart. To show the distribution of consumption amount, explain the reasons for your choice. Write a 200-word data diary at the end. Record the insights gained during the research process. Remember that data is not just cold numbers. It's a bridge to the real world. Looking forward to your work. Let statistical thinking come to fruition outside the campus. The above is all the content of this lesson. Thank you very much.